Hello my YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. You're going to love today's video because I'm going to review one by one the 11 Hermes handbags that I bought in 2021. I know, I went a little bit crazy, but who can say no to an Hermes bag offer? I feel super fortunate to have scored all these bags, but I know 2021 has been a very competitive year, so I'm going to share all the details of the bag and also how I got it. I hope this video can be helpful for those of you who are still waiting for your dream bag, and let's get straight into it. The first bag that I got offered in 2021 is this gorgeous red Birkin 25. I got offered this bag in Vegas and I did a full unboxing video of the bag as well as the other items that I bought. So if you haven't watched that video, please check it out. To be honest, when I first saw this bag after the unboxing, I thought it's a little bit too red. But you know how Hermes works, you can't really pick and choose the color combination or the spec of the bag, especially because I'm only visiting for the weekend. So I've already felt super fortunate to get offered this Birkin 25 with little purchase history, and I decided to take it. I have to say this is one of the best decisions I made in 2021 because I absolutely love this bag. If you watch my Hermes journey video, you know that my first Birkin bag is the Birkin 25 in color Ebene. As you can see, Ebene is this dark brownish color which is perfect for fall and winter time. And I really appreciate adding a pop of color to my Birkin collection. This gorgeous red color is called geranium and it comes with the gold hardware. I originally thought the leather is Togo leather, but it turned out this is the TN leather that they introduced in 2015. And I have to say, this is by far my favorite leather from Hermes. While I was in Vegas, I also bought this in the loop bag, also in the red color, but this is a different shade of red. The color is called Rouge Piment, and it comes with white stitching and Palladium hardware. I used this bag way more than what I expected. You can either use this as a belt bag or a crossbody bag, and the interior of the bag is in color Rose Azali. This bag comes with two card slots, one in the front and the other one in the back. And I know a lot of people are complaining about how mini bags don't really fit a phone, but you don't need to worry about this bag because it definitely fits any size of your phone. Plus, the strap is adjustable, making it a super versatile bag, and with its $3,500 price point, I would say the bag is totally worth the price. The third Hermes bag that I purchased in 2021 is also a Verso bag. It's this ruleless slim in color brick and blue Frida with light gold hardware. And guess where I bought it? I bought it from the airport. So this ruleless slim bag is the first Hermes bag that I bought from the Hermes store in the airport. I've been eyeing for this ruleless slim since it was first introduced, but unfortunately I never got offered this bag at my local boutique. So when I saw it sitting on the shelf in LAX, I knew I have to grab it. For those of you who are interested, the slim bag, whether it is the ruleless slim or constant slim, don't come with a strap. Because technically, it is a belt bag and you're supposed to wear it with your belt. But we can always get creative and use the long twillies or a twillion as a strap for the bag. But to be honest, I don't think this is the best way to wear the bag because the bag will always lean forward. And unlike the in the loop bag, ruleless slim doesn't really fit your phone. There is one separate card pouch which pretty much takes up the entire space inside of the bag. Since there are two additional card slots, I guess you can put more credit cards, but that's pretty much it. I have to admit, ever since I got this bag, I never really had a chance to use it. Lessons learned from this impulsive purchase: never buy a bag for its look, but for its functionality. Unless you're okay to only use the bag to accessorize your outfit. The fourth bag that I purchased from Hermes in 2021 is definitely more functional. Yes, it is this special edition mini Evelyn in felt and swift combination. I also got this bag from the Hermes store in the airport, but I've got no regret. Simply because it comes with a strap. Just kidding. The bag itself can also fit a lot more compared to the ruleless slim. And because this bag is not made of leather, retail price for this specific mini Evelyn is much lower at $1,500 US. If you ask what I would recommend for an entry-level Hermes bag, I would say go get a mini Evelyn. It is so carefree, super versatile, and I can totally imagine myself wearing it every day. After I got the mini Evelyn, I told myself, whoa, wait a minute. I've got so many Hermes bags already. Maybe it's time to take a break. But then I got a phone call from my sales associate, and she said, I have a surprise for you. For my fellow Hermes lovers out there, when you get that phone call from your sales associate, you know something amazing is gonna happen. And yes, I got offered this gorgeous Birkin 25 in color Craig with rose gold hardware. Oh my god, I cannot believe it. Everyone knows that Craig is one of the most sought after color, and I never imagined myself getting offered this bag this soon. However, when you get offered this type of bag, you know you have to grab it immediately. When it comes to color, Hermes has this so-called golden three: gold, Etoupe, and Noir, or people call it black. The color Cray and Rose Sakura are actually becoming even more popular than the golden three these days. And if you go to second-hand market, you'll notice that price for these two colors sometimes double or even triple their retail price. Especially the color Cray, since this is a neutral color, you can basically match it with all your outfit. I find myself reaching for this bag a lot, especially during the summertime, because this is a light color bag, and it's such a great addition to my Birkin 25 collection, given that I've already have a dark color one, a pop of color, the geranium, and with this one, I feel like my Birkin 25 collection is now complete. When I got this Birkin 25 in color Cray, I also purchased this cute mommy bag. To be honest, when I first asked my sales associate about this bag, she went, "Are you crazy? Why would you need a mommy bag? You're not even pregnant." But look how cute it is to have the baby cheetah sticking his head out of the front pocket. My heart melted when I first saw this design, and to be honest, you don't have to use it as a diaper bag or mommy's bag. You can totally use the bag as a regular tote bag, and it fits a lot. Alright, up to this point, all the bags that I purchased in 2021 were from the boutiques or the stores in the US. But as I mentioned in my previous video, when you go travel, it doesn't hurt to also check out the local boutiques. This Picotin 18 in color Etoupe, for example, was a pleasant surprise from my Mexico trip. Sometimes, all you need to do is to walk into the boutique and ask for the bags you're looking for. I did the same and got offered the Lindy 26, also in the color Etoupe. Here's a clip of the unboxing video that I did in my hotel in Mexico. To be honest, before I got offered this two bag, I was never a fan of the color Etoupe simply because it was not a fun color for me. But after seeing the color in person, I came to realize that this is such a versatile color. I guess the magic for the Hermes neutral color is the more you look at it, the more you like it, and you never get tired of the color. Between the Picotin 18 and Lindy 26, I would say I prefer the Picotin more just because it's more casual and fits my overall lifestyle. But the design of the Lindy bag is definitely growing on me, and I do have one that is on my wish list for 2022. So if you want to know which one it is, please stay tuned. The ninth bag that I purchased in 2021 was also from my Mexico trip, and it is this Birkin 30 in color Noir with Palladium hardware. To be honest, I had no expectation of getting offered a Birkin or a Cali bag in my Mexico trip, simply because I don't have any purchase history, but I guess anything can happen. I did the unboxing with the sales associate in the store, and you can see how Birkin 30 looks on me. I brought my Birkin 25 in the geranium color to the store, and here's a side-by-side comparison between the size 30 and size 25. Although the color Noir with Palladium hardware is my dream combination, I would much prefer to have this same combo to be on a Birkin 25 bag. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I'm a mini bag girl and I don't really reach for a bigger size handbag, especially in my day-to-day life. That's why this handsome Birkin 30 has been sitting in its box ever since I got it, but I have no complaints, especially given how hard it is to get offered this bag. The 10th bag that I added to my Hermes collection last year was this Handbag backpack that I ordered from the Hermes website. I have to admit that this is a failed purchase from my impulsive shopping browsing their official website, and I had to return it because this bag is so heavy and so hard to use. Sometimes for bags that look good in pictures, they don't necessarily look good in person, so I would highly recommend checking the bags out in the store. Or pick their classic design like the Picotin 18. Yes, I got another Picotin, but in the color Noir with gold hardware. This was the last Hermes bag that I purchased in 2021, and I did my unboxing of this bag in front of my Christmas tree. If you're interested in learning details of any of the 11 bags that I purchased in 2021, I've added all the links to the unboxing and review videos in the card, so please go check them out after this video. And now comes the final question. Out of all the bags that I purchased in 2021, which one is my favorite? Okay, let's pause the video for a little bit and please comment down below your answer. Just a little hint, it might be a surprise for most people. Ta-da! My favorite Hermes purchase in 2021 is this red Birkin, or the Birkin 25 in color geranium with gold hardware. What a surprise, right? I have to admit, when I first saw this bag in the store, I was a little bit disappointed because it was too red, especially under the yellow lighting. But gradually, I came to realize I reached for this bag way more than what I expected. And the more I used it, the more I fell in love with it. And sometimes the most sought after bags might not be the best choice for you. So which one out of the 11 Hermes handbags that I purchased in 2021 is your favorite? Is it the Birkin 25 in color gray? Is it the Birkin 30 in color Noir? Or is it the mini Evelyn or perhaps the Picotin 18? Please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite. Alright, that's a wrap and thanks for watching. If you liked today's video, don't forget to give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. My next video will be the 2022 luxury wish list. You know you don't want to miss it. Alright, thanks for tuning in and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!